Today, I tell you on how to speed your charging. Charging your phone is generally difficult when your charger is broken. However, it has a different technique on how you can improve your charging. One example is by using an app that optimizes your charging efficiency. Watch till the end to fix your problem. Tap Play Store. Go to Search tab. Type fast charging. Click the blue one. In this, you can see a lot of features it brings if you use it. Monitor battery status. Record charging history. Optimization tools. Now let's install this app. Wait until finish. Let's open. Click OK. Tap that app that we downloaded. The orange color number indicates the electric charge input to your phone. Click Detect. In this, we can see how electricity put and what range does it put. Same as the current that used every seconds. Don't forget to follow and like my page. Thank you for watching.